Eliminating paper from your HR workflow is easier than you think, and today I'm going to show you how to do just that in this quick 3-minute tutorial. If you're tired of sifting through piles of paperwork and looking for a more efficient, streamlined way to manage HR processes, stay tuned because this video will give you the solution you need. The first step to eliminating paper from your HR workflow is digitizing your documents. Start by scanning and storing your employee records, contracts, and forms into a secure cloud storage system. This will instantly give you easy access to everything you need at your fingertips. But don't just store everything, organize your files into categories for better navigation. This makes it simpler to locate specific documents without going through stacks of paper. Next, move your employee onboarding process online. Instead of handing out physical forms, implement digital forms that employees can fill out on their own. This eliminates the need for printing and saves time on both ends. Look for an HR software that allows for easy digital form creation and submission, and be sure it integrates smoothly with your existing HR system. This software will help you automate the entire process from filling out forms to sending out welcome emails, reducing human error and saving valuable time. Another area to consider is performance management. Instead of using paper to track appraisals, feedback, and reviews, adopt a digital system where employees and managers can document their progress and feedback. Many software options include features that let you set up performance tracking, making it easy to monitor employee progress and provide timely feedback, all without the need for paper. And don't forget to switch your payroll process to a digital format. Instead of sending paper checks or payslips, implement direct deposit and digital payslips. This will not only reduce paper usage, but also improve your payroll efficiency. Employees can access their payslips online at any time, and your accounting team will have a centralized location for all payroll data. Now, let's talk about communications. Stop using paper memos and notices. Use email and internal messaging systems to communicate announcements, policy changes, or HR updates. HR software can also send automated notifications to employees, keeping them informed without any paper being involved. I've tested several HR software platforms to help you eliminate paper from your workflow, and the one I'm recommending today has an easy-to-use interface and features that cover all the needs I've mentioned. And if you want to follow along and start digitizing your workflow today, I've partnered with this software to offer you an exclusive free trial. Check the description below to get started. To wrap things up, eliminating paper from your HR workflow requires a few simple steps. Digitize your documents, move your onboarding process online, track performance digitally, switch to digital payroll, and communicate through email or messaging apps. These actions will reduce paper waste and make your HR processes more efficient. Don't forget to grab your free trial through the link below to get started with the software I'm using. Key takeaway: embracing digital tools for HR is not just about saving paper. It's about creating a more efficient, streamlined process that benefits everyone in your company. Take advantage of that free trial and start eliminating paper from your HR workflow today.